Hello there and welcome to the studio. So I'm sure by now you are already having fun with your Akai MPC 3 updates. If you have probably moved to that is the beta version. But just like I said in my previous video, you might want to just know that this is the beta version, which means the full version is not readily available. So anything that comes with this, you have to just take it. But in the midst of that, this is what we're supposed to do when you notice something that is wrong, or something that is missing that you used before that you cannot find anymore. You're supposed to raise an awareness, right? So I found something. I've been looking for the time signature and I couldn't just find it. Like, I need to change my track or my arrangement from the 4x4 to 6x8. Do you get it? And I've been trying to locate that, I couldn't find it. I am one of the few guys that check my manual. I read the manual, except maybe the manual I have is not complete, although I got it on their website. So yes, and I'm surprised. Okay, what's going on? Maybe I've not done enough or thorough deep dive search, but I couldn't find it. So if you are probably the type that uses the same time signatures, settings, then maybe you could just help out. This thing did happen some couple of updates back when we had the I think the part color. Yeah, the part color was moved from where it used to be before, and a lot of people were having difficulty trying to locate it. So I had to even do a video then to show people that, oh sorry, we moved to this location, and got a lot of good review. But this one now, even me right now, I need help. So if you know where probably that time signature setting is, I checked settings. Before now it's available when you're trying to add a new bar inside your sequence. Yeah, you could specify the time signature, and then that time signature will basically just infuse itself within the current time signature, and which means you can actually have more than one time signature on your track. But now that's not happening. So come on, let's take a look at it together. All right, quickly, let's do this. So this is where we are, right? Normally before now, if I go to the sequence on the preview, that is the 2.1 5, if I click here and I try to insert bars, the moment I press this to insert a bar, I will definitely see some information here that will allow me to change my time division, but it's no longer available here, which means I don't know how to switch from the 1/4 view, that is the 4x4, to maybe a 6x8, and that's basically what I'm talking about. I need some form of guidance. If you have probably done that, or probably if you have seen where to modify that. I've gone to the settings, I've done, I've checked everywhere there, I couldn't find it. And I know some people that does a lot of lo-fi, or there are actually some step of beat progression that might want you to modify your time signatures from just being the 4/4 to maybe something like 6/8 and something like that. So but then I can't find that. So if you are able to know where it is, kindly let me know. Please drop your thoughts in this comment section below. If you also think there's another thing that you currently find that is missing right now, please just share so that we can collectively inform Akai. I'm sure they are obviously seeing all of this, so this is not a complaint, it's not an attack on them. It is basically to let them see that, oh, something is missing or something is wrong, and for their attention purpose, so that they can quickly take a look at it for us and help us to fix it, probably add it to the beta version before the actual release comes up. Yeah, that's basically just what I noticed right now. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next one.